Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming a quiet space and locking distractions. Place your phone on a stable surface or attach a lavalier. This reduces handling noise and keeps levels steady. Open your recording app and select a sample rate like 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz. Higher bit depth helps headroom. Once done, run a quick 3 to 5 second test, speak at intended volume, and listen back to confirm clarity and distance. Adjust mic position until your voice sounds natural and full. Now refine tone and dynamics. You should monitor with wired earbuds and watch levels. Aim for peaks around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Position the mic 4 to 8 inches from your mouth, slightly off-axis to reduce plosives, and add a foam cover or DIY pop filter to tame bursts of air. If your app supports it, enable a low-cut filter to remove rumble and use light compression to even out volume. Make another recording and compare takes until presence and warmth are consistent. Complete the job by editing. Trim breaths and long silences, then normalize or target about -14 LUFS for steady loudness. Export a WAV or a high bitrate MP3 depending on delivery needs, and always back up your raw files. When exporting, include metadata like track title and timestamps if required. If you hear persistent background noise after processing, try spectral noise reduction sparingly, or return to step 1 and re-record in a quieter room. Often the cleanest fix is a better take rather than heavy repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.